What color do you like, Tim?
Black.
Black. What about food do you like?
I like grape.
Grapes? Say the word grapes. I like grapes.
I like grapes.
Very good. So this time we will start our speaking test. Can you touch your nose? Where is your nose? Touch your nose. Nose. Touch your mouth. Very good. What are these? What are these?
Finger.
Fingers. What about this one?
Hands.
Hands. Very good. How many hands do you have? I have 2 hands. Very good. Ready? Let's start. Okay. Tim, look at this. Can you tell me what is this? This is?
Umbrella.
It's an umbrella. Next.
It has.
Can you say the word it's?
It's.
A hat.
It has.
Good. Next, what are you wearing? I'm wearing jeans with S.
Jeans.
Good. Next, I'm wearing
Boots.
good. Next, I'm wearing
Shirt.
Do you wear dress? Do you wear dress?
No.
Do you wear t-shirt?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the weather. How's the weather?
It's
It's
sunny.
sunny and hot, right? Next, it's
It's windy.
windy. Next, how's the weather?
It's snowy.
Snowy. Snowy. No, not snowy.
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 It's okay. Practice at home, okay? Next, what about this one?
It's rainy.
It's what? Rainy.
Rainy.
Yeah, very good. Now, look at these images. Tell me, how are you? I'm
Hungry.
hungry. Next. How are you?
Sleepy.
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 Good. Next, I'm
Happy.
happy. Good job. Next. This time, let's move on to the sound, okay? What letter is this? What letter is this? Letter J
J.
sounds. So, which one? T-shirt or jaguar?
T-shirt.
No. T-shirt? No. T-shirt is So which one? T-shirt or T-shirt or jaguar? Yes, not T-shirt. No. Okay, what about here? So this is correct. This is not correct. Okay? Now let's move on to the next one. Look at this. What letter? Letter J sound. Which one? Raccoon, juice, or robot?
Bruce.
Juice, it's correct. You got it right. See, you have the thing. Good job. Yeah, juice. Say it.
Bruce.
Juice.
Juice.
Yeah, juice is correct. Next, letter R sounds jelly or rocket.
Rocky.
Yes, you got it right again. So the answer is rocket, not jelly. Okay? Remember that. You have to think. Next. Look at this. This one is jacket. Finish racket. No more racket. Jacket and rice. So, which one is the beginning sound? Look at this picture.
Rabbit.
Oh, finish with the jacket. No more jacket. Jacket is right? Rice. Jacket. Rice. So which one? Jacket or rice?
Rice.
Yes. Rice is correct. Not jacket. No, this is not correct. Okay? Now let's move on to commands. What is this?
Take off the shoe.
Take off. Yes, correct. Next.
Put your umbrella in your pack.
Perfect. Good job. Next.
On your hat.
Put on your hat.
Give up your racket.
Yeah. Now, what do you see? How's the weather?
Cloudy. Cloudy.
Cloudy. Next. What do you see?
Rainbow.
Oh, what color is this? Look. Color.
Rainbow.
Oh, what color is this? Look at this arrow. Color.
Orange.
Orange. Good job. Next. What is that? What is this?
Tree.
Tree. What's the color of the leaves? Color.
Green.
Green. Very good. Now what's this?
River.
River. Perfect. Next.
It rocks.
It's a rock. I see a rock. Next. What is that? What's this?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Do you like rabbits? Do you like rabbits? Yes, I do. Yeah. That's the end. Give me this mom. Say goodbye. Boom. And
Goodbye, Peter.
goodbye, team. See you again.